Hello everyone, so if you want to enable emoji suggestions on your Redmi A3, so first of all open up your settings. Now you are to scroll down to your system tab right here, almost at the bottom. Now choose your keyboard, choose your on-screen keyboard, choose your Gboard option, and here you are to find your emoji stickers and GIFs. Now we need to find and enable our emoji fast access row. So simply tap on it and basically that's it. It will show popular and frequently used emojis on the main keyboard. Also, you can access emojis in the symbols keyboard, so you can allow this option as well, and it will display a row of recently used emojis in the symbol section of the keyboard. Also, you can enable suggestions while typing, and you can enable emojis and stickers as well. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.